If you're a private landlord, managing agent, or responsible for a private rented property, then you're probably aware of new legislation introduced in July. This new law means all private landlords are now required to have the fixed electrical installation in all rented properties inspected, tested, and certified as satisfactory and safe for continued use. This is called an electrical installation condition report. It has to be carried out at least every 5 years and gives a very detailed overview along with test results for the entire electrical installation. The regulation applies to all new tenancies from July this year, all properties with existing tenants having to comply by April 2021. Now, if you're a landlord, I'm sure you're also aware that there's lots of companies out there offering this inspection service. What you're probably not aware of is some of them are unqualified, uninsured, or just lack the experience required to carry out this sort of inspection. A properly carried out electrical condition report includes a thorough visual inspection of the electrical installation, as well as extensive testing. The procedure should take at least 2 to 3 hours, and in most cases will take more time than this. We hear every week from upset landlords reporting that some of the contractors they've employed spent less than an hour in the property. This is really shocking. It's impossible to carry out an electrical condition report correctly in this time unless the property has only 2 circuits installed, and even a small flat will normally have at least 5. The only way they can manage this is to either skip vital parts of the inspection and testing process, or make up the test results. No, I'm really not joking. We see blatant evidence of this malpractice all the time. If you're unlucky or choose a contractor poorly, don't forget, you the landlord are responsible. You could also be in breach of these new regulations, and fines can be as high as £30,000. The UK government have stated that all private landlords should use a list of approved contractors. This list is unique to the private rental sector and can be found on the Electrical Competent Person website. You can find this site at www.electricalcompetentperson.co.uk. Using this approved list guarantees that the contractor you choose will be qualified, properly insured, and will have the necessary experience to carry out this important inspection service. Electricians on call have been carrying out inspection, testing, and certification for landlords, managing agents, property buyers and sellers, as well as local authorities and social housing providers for over 20 years. We are proud to be Kent's most accredited electrical contractor, and of course we're fully approved to carry out inspections for landlords within the new private rental sector scheme. What's more, we never compromise on safety in order to get the job done quicker or in order to offer the lowest price. Our engineers stake their own reputation, as well as that of the company, on every inspection we carry out. We're certainly not going to risk that, so we can rush through it and carry out a sloppy job. If the cost of these mandatory inspections is your only consideration, then with respect, we would rather you went elsewhere. As I've already mentioned, we hear regularly about contractors carrying out these reports far too quickly, and in some cases for less than £100. So I'm sure that there's someone out there that would be happy to take your money and provide you with a report that isn't worth the paper it's written on. However, if you care about the safety of your tenants and take pride in the fact that you do things the right way, contact your local office for a fair and reasonable quotation. Electricians on call. Not all electricians are the same.